Are you looking for a flexible remote job where you can teach English and earn money from anywhere in the world? Whether you're an experienced tutor or just starting out, there are plenty of online platforms that allow you to work as a freelance ESL teacher. In this video, we'll break down 7 of the best websites for teaching English online. We'll compare their requirements, pay, flexibility, and student demographics. So by the end, you'll know exactly which one is the right fit for you. First up, we have Preply, a platform where tutors set their own rates, with some making as much as $34 per hour in high-demand locations. You don't need a degree or certification, but having a well-crafted profile with an introduction video is essential. It's a great option for tutors who want to control their pricing and schedule while teaching students from around the world. Next, there's Cambly, one of the easiest platforms to get started with. No degree, experience, or certifications are required, just native English fluency. Cambly pays $10.20 per hour for regular lessons and $12 per hour for Cambly Kids. It's highly flexible, allowing you to log in and start teaching whenever you want, but the pay is lower than other platforms. Italki is another excellent platform that offers 2 roles: professional teachers who need teaching certifications and community tutors who only need fluency. Tutors set their own rates, but Italki takes a 15% commission from earnings. This platform is popular among students looking for personalized learning experiences. If you prefer a platform that provides lesson materials, Engu is a great option. Open to applicants worldwide, Engu requires no teaching certificate or experience, and tutors earn around $10 per hour. The flexible scheduling and pre-prepared lesson plans make it ideal for beginners who want a structured teaching experience. For those with some teaching experience, Amazing Talker is a strong choice. Tutors can set their own rates, typically earning between $15 and $30 per hour, depending on expertise and demand. The platform matches tutors with students through an AI system, but competition can be tough since tutors price their own lessons. SchemaTalk is another flexible platform, but it's only open to native English speakers. New tutors start at $8 per 25-minute session, but with time, they can increase their rates. Since there are no required teaching materials, it's best suited for tutors who enjoy casual, conversation-based teaching. Finally, we have Twenix, an emerging ESL platform that focuses on short, 26-minute conversation-based lessons. No degree, teaching certificate, or prior experience is required, just native or near-native English proficiency. Twenix primarily serves adult business professionals from Spain and Italy, making it different from platforms focused on children or general learners. Tutors earn between 7 and 15 euros per hour, with the potential for seasonal bonuses and incremental pay increases. One of the best features of Twenix is its penalty-free class transfer system, allowing teachers to reschedule when needed. Since all lesson materials are provided, there's little preparation required, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a hassle-free teaching experience. Each of these platforms offers a unique way to teach English online. So, which one is right for you? If you want full control over your rates, Preply, Italki, and Amazing Talker are great options. If you don't have experience, Cambly, Engu, and Twenix make it easy to start teaching right away. And if you prefer shorter, structured lessons, Engu and Twenix provide everything you need. No matter which platform you choose, teaching English online is a great way to earn from anywhere while helping students improve their language skills. Learn more about these jobs in our detailed blog post. Check the link in the description.